In today's video, I am going to teach you how to put ads on Squarespace. To begin, open your web browser and log into your Squarespace account. Use the account that has access to the website where you want the ads to appear. Once you are signed in, you should see your Squarespace dashboard with your available websites. Select the site you want to work on and wait for the main editing area to load. This is where you will manage your site settings and add the advertising code. Now that you are inside the correct Squarespace website, the next goal is to reach the area where custom code can be added. From the main menu, navigate to Settings. Inside Settings, look for Advanced, then select Code Injection. This section is designed for adding code that needs to load across your website, such as scripts from advertising platforms. Take your time here because placing code in the correct section helps make sure the ads load where you expect them to. Next, you need to obtain the ad code from your advertising provider. For example, if you are using Google AdSense, you will get the code from your AdSense account dashboard. Other advertising networks usually provide a similar code snippet that you can copy and paste into your website. Make sure you are copying the full code exactly as provided. Avoid changing any part of it, because even a small edit can prevent the ad from loading correctly. Once you have copied the ad code, return to the code injection area in Squarespace. You will usually see different sections where code can be placed, such as header, footer, or lock screen. The section you choose depends on where your advertising provider tells you to place the code and also on where you want the ad-related script to load. If the provider recommends placing the code in the header, paste it into the header section. If the instructions mention the footer, use the footer section instead. If you are working with content related to a lock screen, use the lock screen section. After pasting the code, pause for a moment and review it visually. You do not need to understand every part of the code, but you should make sure it appears complete and that it was pasted into the correct box. This is an important check because missing characters or placing the code in the wrong field can cause the ads not to display properly. There is also another option if you only want to place an ad on a specific page or in a specific location within a page. Instead of using the global code injection area, go to the page where you want the ad to appear and click Edit. Once the page editor opens, choose the location on the page where you want the ad to be inserted. Add a code block in that spot. Then paste the ad code directly into the code block. This method is useful when you do not want the ad code running across the entire site and only want it to appear in a particular section. When the code has been added, click Save in the top left corner. Saving is what applies your changes to the website, so make sure you do not leave the page before doing this. After saving, Squarespace may take a little time to reflect the update, and some ad networks may also take time to begin displaying ads. Finally, if you are using Google AdSense, make sure your site ownership has been verified through your AdSense account dashboard. This verification step is important because AdSense needs to confirm that you control the website before ads can fully run. Once verification is complete and the code is saved in Squarespace, your site will be set up to display ads according to your provider's instructions. And that is all there is to it.